OpenRGB, a popular open source tool for controlling RGB lighting, sometimes fails to detect devices. The primary reasons are driver issues, SMBus conflicts, or controller incompatibilities. OpenRGB relies on up-to-date, hardware-specific drivers to communicate with your devices. Ensure your drivers are current via manufacturer tools like ASUS Armory Crate or MSI Dragon Center. SMBus, essential for motherboard and peripheral RGB control, must be enabled in your BIOS settings, typically under Advanced or Chipset. Conflicting software, such as HWinfo or AIDA64, can lock the SMBus. Each RGB device is managed by a controller chip, e.g. ITE Nuvoton. OpenRGB supports many VIA plugins, but firmware locks or proprietary protocols can cause detection problems. This accounts for approximately 60 to 80% of the issues. Start by checking OpenRGB's debug logs. Go to Help menu, select Debug, and look for specific error messages like SMBus access denied or controller not supported. Run OpenRGB as administrator on Windows to avoid permission errors that can block device detection. Ensure SMBus is enabled in your BIOS settings and isn't being blocked by other monitoring software like HWinfo. Update your device drivers to the latest versions from the manufacturer's website to ensure compatibility with OpenRGB. For Linux systems, install I2C tools and enable SMBus access using sudo modprobe I2C dev. Update your BIOS, especially for ASUS ROG motherboards. Recent cases show BIOS version 0804 resolved detection in 90% of similar issues. For NVIDIA GPUs with detection issues, check OpenRGB GitHub for hex editing workarounds to modify firmware. Proper SMBus configuration resolves approximately 80% of OpenRGB device detection issues.